an impeller in there, and well, I don't think I can. It's supposed to be a motor, and it's pretty hard to turn. So I'm going to take this apart, take a look. It might have bad bearings. Here's the impeller. This is not moving very good, easily at all. It's not turning. That takes a lot of pressure. Yep. Using the Corolla as a workbench. Alright, gotta take a quick picture of this. Make sure I get the polarity right. Get the back cover off. Alright. Of course my battery's starting to die, so I can't put a light on it, but brushes seem a little worn, but not too bad. I don't know what I can do about that. I don't know if I can get replacement brushes. But this right here is definitely seized. Right there, that's all that's coming out. I'm shaking it. It's coming out. I don't know if that's plastic from the housing. Housing looks like it's okay. We can get it apart a little further, and if you can see that bearing, this one's not turning. So I have some bearings. I don't know if they'll work on there. That looks a little small, but I have some bearings I want to check, see if they would work. Otherwise, I'm going to need that. Yeah, I don't know if it's just, it smells burnt, so it's probably the carbon from the, it's probably all the carbon from the brushes. So I'm going to check this out, see what I can do, and then take it from there. I have these bearings. They're roller skate bearings. I don't think it's going to fit on this end. It definitely fits on this end, but what I want to try to do is I'm going to get this off, and then I'm just going to need new bearings. I'm going to have to order bearings or something, because these aren't the right ones. These aren't sealed. But if I can get this on the end here, it's easy enough to take apart. So I'm going to, if I can get it on there, because it looks like the shaft size is smaller, so I don't think it will work. But if it does work, I just want to put it on there, put it back together, just to confirm that everything else is working, and then just order that part. Yeah, 2 different sizes, they won't fit. It's just too big. Oh well, I'm gonna have to figure out how to get one of those and clean this up. And hopefully that's it. Before I get too invested in this, I'm gonna try to hang it from near the phone and see if it'll work. But I want to measure these out and make sure that I don't have anything shorted. Kind of wouldn't make any sense to try to find brushes for this if there's an issue with that. So hopefully this picks it up. Never mind the music in there. That's my wife doing whatever the hell she's doing in there. Let's see. Nothing there. I know, my toolbox is a mess. .6, 1.6, 3 ohms. That's a little 3 ohms. It's kind of high. Ooh. Yeah, that's not good. .6. Yeah, that's not good. It's a lot of resistance. 195. 3 ohms. 0.6. 0.5. 0.6. I think this is the bad one right here. This one right here is no good. Something to mark it with. One right there. That's not good. Yeah. See if it's Yep. This motor's no good. That sucks. I don't even know if you can get a motor. Alright. Well, I have to deliver the bad news now. I'm gonna have to see if I can find a motor. New bearing on. Cleaned up the commutators a little bit with some emery. So give it a go and see what happens. I cleaned up the motor real good as well. Took it apart, cleaned it up. Got the impeller in now. Now it spins. Just gotta finish putting it together and then test it. I got it back together. I'm going to do a self-test. It's supposed to go backwards and then forwards. Wish me luck. Just turn it on. Oh, there it goes. I can hear the impeller running. Sounds like skipping belt on this side. Pull the side cover off and take a look. You can hear the impeller running. Should be good. Alright, I'm going to pull that cover off, take a look real quick. It's actually gear driven. I don't know if you can tell, but the gears are worn. Really, there's nothing you can do about that because they're not going to sell you a gear. If they won't sell you a motor, they're not going to sell you a gear. I don't know if you can even see in there. It's all scored up. And what it's doing is it's skipping on the inside of here a little bit. That's pretty scored up in there. Come on. It's pretty scored up in there. It rides on this. But I don't think that you can do anything about that. It still works. I just don't know if it's become an issue. I want to see what it looks like while it's running. Every time I look away, that's when it does it. Might be wrong about the... It kind of sounds like it's coming from here. I wonder if these tracks are just worn. I think you can get the tracks. It might be skipping a tooth. I'm gonna try marking this. I'm just curious to see if it's gonna skip a tooth. it's skipping. I think that's what the problem is. Yep. It's getting further and further. I may be wrong, it may never line back up again. I'd have to count all the teeth and all the cogs. Oh, there it goes, lines up. Okay. I don't know what's going on with that thing. I think that belt, something's wrong with the belt, I think. It's got to be. Gears aren't skipping. Sounds like it's up here. If I do that, make it tighter, it goes away. I think these tracks are just worn, needs new tracks. Alright, what I did was, I'm still waiting to see if it'll do it again. But I believe I fixed it. I took this off. I don't think it was all the way pulled in. So I don't know if these have ever been replaced before, but I pushed it all the way in, and it seemed to have fixed that problem. I just think it was too far out, so these little teeth that keep it on the wheel, I think they were getting hung up on the cogs in there, on the cog every once in a while, because the wheel was out too far this way. But it's no longer doing that, so I'm happy with that. Awesome. So the gears are okay. Tracks seem to be okay. And everything's okay. Except, you know, obviously you got some missing bristles here. But that's it. All done. All fixed.